I needed to have a hip replacement, and before I could have the hip replacement, I needed to have a dental checkup and a permission from a dentist. Secretary that I knew had come to Dr. Sakeena, so I sought her out. My mouth had not had a dentist look at it in years. I had a plate, with a bridge. I had a bridge, and the teeth were just totally tacky. So I sought Dr. Sakeena when I had to have the hip replacement and to get a clearance in order to have that surgery. When I walked in the door, the staff were very accommodating and very friendly. So that kind of eased my anxiety a little bit. And then I met her, and she, with her Dr. Sakeena's soft tones, her gentle manner, and highly professional. During the process of my evaluation with Dr. Sakeena, she took measurements, casting, and there was a set of dentures made for me so that after the surgery I would have the implants plus the full top denture. So I did not have any lapse in, I didn't have to walk around with no teeth in my mouth. After the procedure, I have a full denture on the top and an all-on-4 implant at the bottom. One of the differences is that I never liked taking pictures. Now I don't mind. My smile is good. I don't put my hands over my mouth when I'm talking or smiling. It's just, I feel carefree and easy and attractive. They're very considerate, caring, best place ever. And had I known her before, I would have been coming regularly for dental visits and probably would not have ended up in the shape my mouth was in.